Some smell.
Awesome smell, huh?
There's juice coming out of chicken.
Smell is so yummy, yeah. Feeling hungry? Fast.
My mouth.
How long it will take?
My mouth is watering already.
Seriously.
Look at the chili.
It makes me so starving now, huh?
Car is doing its work.
I'm starving.
After it gets little dry,
yeah,
we'll put some water.
Okay. Again need to perform, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll be back again.
5 minutes later.
See, this is all dried up. It's dry. Water is soaked in. This is perfect. People can have it this way also. Okay? You can eat this way, no problem. But
Since we are going to eat with rice,
yes, we are going to put water little by little, not all at the same time, little by little. Otherwise, it will be overcooked.
okay.
If the chicken breaks because of overcooking, then chicken doesn't remain as chicken.
It will be soup.
It will become chicken crumbles. This is enough for us, I think. Little bit.
Yeah, maybe.
And just see the color turns
Wow.
to green.
I'm just waiting to eat now. My mouth also watering, you know.
Okay, so maybe another 10 minutes. I'll put a little bit water because we will have it with rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And in the last, just to garnish, we'll put some coriander leaves.
Okay.
Okay, it's done. We'll just have a quick taste of the.
How is it?
Perfect.
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 Okay.
That's it. Leave it on for medium flame, golden, slightly golden medium.
Cover required.
Cover can be required, yes. Cover it.
Okay.
And then we
So
wait.
little high flame, bro.
Yeah, slightly more than medium. Now it is boiled. And 10 minutes it's ready to eat.
Yes. After 10 minutes.
This is perfect. Do you want more water? We can give more water.
I think not required.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we can eat with warm rice.
Dry tomorrow. This goes very well with white rice.
Yeah.
Now it's time to check for salt. In case you want salt, we can give salt, and then in another 2 minutes then have a look.
Yeah, give me. I'll try this. Perfect.
No salt required?
No salt required. Spicy also good.
Yeah, no salt
This
required.
is nice.
I think little bit of water will be good. And then 2 minutes.
I think this much water is required, no?
Yeah, this much is good. Required for rice.
Yeah. Oh, you will put more water.
Just a little bit for us. Because by tomorrow it will be very dry.
Oh yeah.
Just put little bit of. No salt required?
No salt required.
Sure?
Yeah.
This is done.
Salt is perfect.
This is
spice
done.
Good.
This is finished. And in 2 minutes time, we can switch it off and start it. It's done. I can
Done?
switch it off. Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep for a little time because you put
The
fresh water. No?
No, it doesn't matter. It's already
So at least 1 minute.
30 seconds, 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah. So after that 1 minute, after 1 minute we can eat. This already done.
Perfect.
So this is how this Dukappa used to make.
Do means chicken. You can also make it with pork, which is called Dukappa.
Okay.
This is Dukappa and Dukappa is pork.
Okay.
Pork is amazing.
Chicken is ready. So I'm really starving. I'm going to eat. So thanks for watching this video. If you like, and please don't forget to share and subscribe.
Hit the notification bar.
Yeah. And one more thing, you can use this method to cook this Dukappa or like a pork Dukappa, as my friend said. Okay, see you in another video. Bye bye.